Hello everybody, Tech Guy Charlie here. Welcome back to the channel. So a couple of days ago, I made a video about an update on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the S10 Plus that allows you to use the ultra wide angle camera in the Pro modes. So in the Pro video, you can see now you can use the ultra wide angle lens. Now this exact same update is also available on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but there are a couple of differences when it comes to features. So if I open up the camera on the Note 20 Ultra and if I go to the portrait mode, you can see there are a couple of extra effects: studio, high key mono, low key mono, and backdrop. These are unfortunately not available on the Note 10 Plus or the S10 Plus's camera. So if I go to more and if I go to portrait, tap over here, you have the basic effects: blur, big circle, spin, zoom, and color point. But here's the thing, even though these effects are not available directly in the camera, you can still get these effects on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus. All you have to do is click a picture and then go into the gallery and edit the picture. Let me show you. So I had to readjust my camera for this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go to more and then go to portrait and switch to the front facing camera. By the way, this is the Note 10 Plus and I'm gonna make this full because I like the full screen view. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do here is click a selfie. Okay, so after you take a picture in the portrait mode, open up that picture and you will see an option: change background effect. Tap on this and this will give you all the new background effects. So you have the studio effect. Here you have the slider that allows you to increase the brightness on your face, just like that. I like to keep it on low. So here's the studio effect. It does kind of take a while on these older phones to change the effect, but yeah, this is the studio effect. Then you have high key mono. It replaces the background with white color. Then you have low key mono. This will replace the background with a black color. Backdrop automatically picks up background color. And then you have the all standard effects: color point, big circle, spin, and zoom. So yes, this is how you can use all of the new portrait effects on the older phones like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. So exact same procedure on the S10 Plus. You open up the portrait mode, then take a photo, then open up the photo in the gallery, then select change background effect, and this gives you access to all of the new camera effects: high key mono, studio, low key mono, and backdrop. I'm still wondering why Samsung did not include these portrait effects directly within the camera over here. You know what? I think maybe these older generation smartphones lack the processing power to make these new background effects work in real time. That's why you have to go to the gallery, then tap on change background effect, and from over here you can select one of these new background effects. Not sure about this, but yeah, this is my theory. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.